tomato? How much for tomato?
£1, 300 Jamaican dollars.
What?
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer. I'll do Outlaws part, Manners and Prayers. You soon see him, So guys, today is Saturday and we are preparing for another lockdown. Rolls eyes. Yes, so in our last video, we explained to you that the government of Jamaica has announced another 2 weeks of lockdown. Today is Saturday, curfew starts at 6 p.m. So like many other Jamaicans, we are going on the road to stock up and prepare for another lockdown. So we're going to take you with us today and show you how we prepare. Guys, yes, we could have, bought our stuff a few days ago. However, the thing is this, right? We want the freshest of produce, right? So if you buy things early, then obviously they're going to spoil. So you want fresh vegetables, fresh fish, fresh bread, and so on. So it's about 8:45 now. We are going to our local supermarket that opens at 8:30. And I say local supermarket, it's a small local supermarket. We don't often go to the big chains, the big chain supermarkets. We do sometimes, but the thing is this. We like to, one, support our local supermarket, support local businesses, and two, oftentimes the price is a lot cheaper in the local supermarkets compared to the big ones, and it's the same brand, same things that you're buying. Okay, so as Outlaw says, we're going to Poor People's Store, our local supermarket, and we're going to see if we can get some fresh fish at the seaside. Last week we tried and they only had jackfish, and you know how Outlaw feels about jackfish. You would have seen in our last video, no man fish as he says. So yeah, we're going to see if we can get some nice fresh fish, and I think we're going to go to maybe a Rockabessa today and see if we can get some fresh produce from the little market area up there. So guys, we're going to show you what we buy, how we prepare, and all the rest, right? So stay with us, soon come. So yes, people, see the big man right there?
I love food.
Sorry? Is that how you address the people?
Yeah, the man understand everything what I say.
Alright, but you need to address the people. You can't say it against the look food.
What must I say?
Say good morning, say hello, good day, good night, whatever.
Everything complicated, man, people. You know that?
No, but
yeah, man. They understand everything what I say, and because of
they've seen me, but they haven't seen you yet. So you have to address people properly.
People, they all look food for the house. Because all the buildings set up or something, they all look food from earlier. So we don't want them drunk around there. A couple of days when they can't come out of the yard. We try it today and police them back me up down the road. They have to tell them lie. So they can't do it.
Oh my gosh. Did you really say that?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, people.
So let's read something, baby girl. That's what things are real.
Yeah, it is real. I'm going to take accountability for that one, okay? I'm going to take accountability for that one. We both have to take it, but it's kind of my fault. On our way there, we got stopped. The authorities are doing their work. The police are doing their work. And
they're doing the money making part time. Yeah.
The police are doing their work.
The money, they make money, that's all. Yeah. You know that's something they go.
And
money making thing.
They did ask us, reason for being on the road. The gas station that we were going to do have a pharmacy, so we just explained that we need to go to the pharmacy to get something. It was cool, they let us through and everything like that, but they are on the road doing what they've been asked to do, what we're supposed to do. But right now, we are going to a Rockabessa, so to see if we can pick up some food. So yeah.
Yeah. That alone. The police will stop me, ask me for the prescription when I carry go pharmacy. Like you have to go pharmacy with a prescription every time. Which doctor office open? If you get prescription, you go pharmacy. And the most of me say you get for the side, she ask you want prescription. That's the woman, we go pharmacy go get to something for allergies. And she say, alright, go on. And she still a search on the papers. The papers good still.
Well, they're doing their work, okay?
And I really like them one.
They're doing their work.
Yeah, you never do them right, but you don't really like them after.
Okay, but they're doing their work. Big up to all of the law enforcers and
the real one them.
The policemen and women who do a good job.
The real one them.
Yes.
Yeah, one cut off a rasta head ready, cut off a rasta head ready again. That's the one a bad one. You know, big up that one there. Big up the real police them. Respect our manners.
Big up all big up the police officers.
Yeah.
Yeah, doing their work. Big up to you. And also, while we're on the topic, all the nurses and all the doctors, big you guys up. We know, boy, guys, you are.
And the government of Jamaica fight against them too.
You are feeling it right now. So big all of you guys up. Okay, guys, back to Orakabessa. We're gonna take you on a journey.
Yeah. Everyone really wants to know too tough. Where is yourself?
On the journey.
Yeah, we have to look food, so we have to say we can already.
Yeah.
We put them and banana and plant and them stuff.
Yes,
and the house.
Alright.
Respect our manners, people. Give thanks to life. Because me I tell you, so we have nothing to say, but we have to know to say it.
Alright.
Because me I tell you, them are normal.
Alright.
Yeah, we have to look food.
Rockabessa time. Let's
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling me this. Hey, Chuck. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. And I can tell the whole and them as long as wanna live just be right and no wrongers. Never try for this station true glamours. And you would end up be like them wanners. Righteousness they get to you them honors. And tell the Asians if you go and rise the banners. Yo, want them already. And telling them again. Never try to diss the man will set the train. Want them already, telling them again. Never try to diss the man will set the train. Whoa, see that again, Chuck.
just ATM.
Rockabessa, right in the town here. The things set up in it. People, so the morning look. Until the next 1 or 2 hours time, out and good.
So yes, people, we're in Orakabessa. Just picking up a few little things. Can you see Outlaw there? Outside the truck back, outside the back of the car, where the man is selling his goods. Yeah, this is somewhere that we come to sometimes when we're up these sides. So yeah, I'm in the car under the nice AC. Outlaw's gone out there to go and pick up the stuff. So you see him pick up 2 little onion and tomato and some yam and banana and all these little things. So yeah, see what he comes out with. But at the moment, the Orakabessa town is busy, but not too busy. I think maybe a little later from now, you're gonna see how busy it really gets. But right now, it's steady flow of people, and that's why I wanted to come out early as well. I really can't take the crowd. I know we can't really get away from it in these times, but I really can't take the crowd. So just come out as early as I can. You just say, what did I say? Early bird catch the first worm. Yeah. So right now, Outlaw's moved from one car back to the next car back. I don't know what's in there that's different or that he's seen, but yeah. This is how we do it sometimes, people. Sometimes you go inside the market, and sometimes you've got some little farmers and stuff selling their goods at the back of their car. You get some nice fresh produce. Here comes Mr. Outlaw himself. Yeah, I see him come with a bag of things.
You know that's something to go peach.
Okay,
yes,
okay.
Never drop it.
Alright, so I can see a few little, I can see yam and banana, plantain and...
You know, a lot down
Okay.
So put this thing together.
See with the people again, he went back out, he's got more stuff. See with the cabbage and some onion. I don't see the tomato though.
Yeah, that's like 500 for this one.
What? For what?
Cabbage and this. 500 for this alone.
So what?
So I go.
Oh god. So now Outlaw's gone in the market itself to pick up the rest of the stuff that he couldn't get outside the car back. So I think he's gone for some tomatoes. So yeah, this is the little market area in Orakabessa. There he is. So you get tomato. How much for tomato?
£1, 300 Jamaican dollars.
What?
Don't talk to
Oh
you,
my
man.
people, everything has gone up. Everything. Usually you can get this for like $100.
$100 for a pound.
Yeah.
Gone, excuse again.
300.
Yeah, right now I make like everything.
Yeah,
Every people.
people.
2,000 ago, that was like $300 for that.
Yeah.
All that we carry coming as a while ago. $2,000 that gone.
Oh my gosh, everything has really gone up.
Oh.
So people, we just left Orocabesa, and honestly, I'm kind of shocked by the prices right now. Yes, usually in the summer you do have a price rise, or you know, there's drought and stuff like that. It's rainy season right now, so there's no drought going on. But guys, I'm shocked by the prices of the things that the few little things that we picked up. Like, I thought we were gonna have change,
That
and then there's nothing left.
And before the lockdown, it wasn't like this. Just before the lockdown,
Sorry about
it wasn't
the glare,
like
guys. $300 for $300 for 1 pound of tomato. Like, usually you pay like $100, $150 maybe. $300 for 1 pound of tomato. The cabbage and the pound of onion.
Yeah.
$500.
$500 Jamaican for that. Before the lockdown, it wasn't like that.
Yeah.
But lockdown, everything come get involved right now because of this lockdown stuff here. Everything,
Can you believe?
thing just a deteriorate at once. Everything a deteriorate.
Guys, I know you can see a blur. Sorry about that. It's just we're driving and the sunlight is reflecting. But oh wow, everything has gone up in Jamaica. Everything has gone up. So, oh man, guys, yeah, it's
Not an easy road.
not an easy road. Not
Yeah,
an easy road.
no normal something going right now. And see, so we just show you a while ago. One cabbage and one gonna own them for $500. That $500 there, poor people, the real poor people them. You know, for the $500 for carry them.
Yeah.
And that 2 items we used to buy a while ago.
Yeah.
We give thanks to life. We give thanks to life.
We are
people
grateful and we are blessed. So you know,
People the worst down with people. I tell you the truth to God
But
love.
well, prices have gone up. I'm shocked. Prices have gone up, and the thing about it is that obviously with lockdown coming, people know, sellers know that people have to buy, right? People have to buy goods.
Of course.
So whatever price it is, you have to pay it.
You can't buy a pound, buy half pound, and maybe quarter pound.
Quarter pound, yeah.
There are people out there buy one a day.
Yeah.
One of each thing, 1 tomato, 1 onion, one sweet pepper, whatever they want. One a day.
Guys, let me tell you something. In the past, we've been there, done that, so we understand.
Okay.
We know. We
I tell
know.
you.
Talk from experience. But guys, I'm for real. I'm shocked.
People, the corner shop them gone back to half a bread and 1/4 of bread.
This is true.
The corner shop them then gone back to half a bread and 1/4 bread now.
Guys, there are some shops selling the corner shops selling 2 slices of bread. You can just buy 2 slices of bread. You can buy just like a little piece of butter, stick of butter or whatever.
Yes, the gone back down to that.
Yeah.
Yes. Gone back down to Big Gilla oil.
Big Gilla oil.
Yes, gone back, everything gone back right down, that's all.
Yeah.
Right now the people are planning for bust Big Jill not 2, you know, I don't know what half a Big Jill on
You know how small Big Jill is, right?
Yeah.
You can bust that in 2.
So I don't know what they call that.
Seriously, it is.
Maybe Big Jill, small Jill, or some one of them Jill there.
Everything, the price of everything has raised, like double. Yeah, it's not easy.
No, I'm some people, but what we are going
It's
to do?
what it is.
Yeah, that's what we can do and help, we can help.
Yeah.
That's the thing, go.
See you on the other side. Okay, guys. So next up is what Outlaw describes as, what do you call it?
Poor people's store.
What do you call it?
Poor people's store.
Poor people's store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't come out and come out store.
Yeah. So this
No
is
problem.
Yeah, it's a little store that we go to. So when we come out, we show you what we've got. Outside, you can get your little things that are ackee and little yam and something. Here you can get fish.
Yeah.
Fishermen come and you can get your little fish, lobster. Yeah, sometimes we get fish from here. Sometimes we go down to the beach. You see little fish and them something there. Yeah, so every little thing we need. Guys, we soon come back.
That's what we are people. We are just come up from the market, as you said. We are going to go see one and all these things. So
What do we get?
Go from the market or so. Yes, little banana.
Little, that looks like quite a lot.
Yeah, but we pay $200 Jamaican for the banana.
How much banana is that?
About 2 dozen banana.
Okay.
Yeah, we pay 2 bills to that.
So what else we got?
We get up to yam and 2 pound of yam. You know the thing go. Nice yellow yam. 2 pounds. $500 for this.
Yeah. So yam has gone up. Cabbage.
So 1 cabbage, yeah. We still away in people. You know, left the thing. So you know we are getting
Some
cabbage.
plantain.
1/4 dozen plantain. 1
He
pear.
loves this with everything.
All when I want, it's all about a pear. You know, we get the veg, pop choy,
Yeah.
and all these things. Then, hold up, tomato, nice flavor, sweet pepper.
We
have already still in the
Yeah,
pot,
so it's just,
you know?
yeah.
Another one to blend the thing. You know, when I have good old Jamaican red peas. Something there. Yeah, red rice and roaster. Lettuce, vegetables here, I'm not drop that. Yes, we always keep the thing going. A few little things in the supermarket, you know, go. Some drink, some make drink.
Tang.
Some tang.
Mixed with water. Some seasoning.
Some seasoning, black pepper and all the seasoning. Nothing more than that. Everything else is from the ground. You understand?
Some sweet corn.
Yeah.
Couple tin of tuna. Guys, all these things are in the barrel, but the barrel don't reach yet. So
you understand?
Yeah.
Get a little cooking oil.
Yeah.
Everything go from the poor people store. Get a few tea. And all these things. These are our tea, this type of tea.
Coffee is coffee.
Coffee.
You know they put everything tea.
You understand? Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Everything together.
So let me show you here. So this is £2 mixed chicken parts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you get half dozen whole of chicken, you know.
Egg.
Rice, people.
How much?
3 pounds of rice. Yes. Rice and half a slice. Another one. Turn go snacking.
Some little crackers, cream crackers.
Yeah, cream crackers. Yeah, snacking.
Snack
Biscuit.
biscuit.
Biscuit there.
A little bulla.
Yes, you know, me left a something here. Blend back with a something here.
Sorry, let me get it in.
That's something there, blend. Bulla and pear. Nice blend. We know when I left that.
And then some other little chocolate. These are mine. I'm a little bit obsessed with Lay's barbecue chips.
She's obsessed with that something here, people. Very obsessed with it. Whew.
Some little cheese curls, cheese sticks, whatever.
Yes.
A little cheese, some bun, and you know, a giant hard dough bread. So guys, all this came to, so we spent $6,000 in the supermarket, remember local supermarket, and then we spent $3,000, no, $2,000, just over $2,000
buying the food
in the car back that you saw. So that's $8,000. The rest of the stuff we have, so we're not buying everything, you know, toiletries and all those things. We have those things already.
Yes,
so our spend was $8,000, which I think was quite good actually for lockdown. But like some of the things we had already, so we didn't have to do a full shop.
You know, we don't stretch too wide, stretch too far. We can't manage that. So we just smart. We call it stretch to fit.
Stretch to fit.
Yeah, stretch to fit.
Okay.
When I done prior, done to life.
Okay, next up is to get some bleach and some cleaning products. So this is like a little car auto wear place. Yeah, and here you can get like a gallon of bleach and what else? Bleach, all-purpose cleaner for the house, and fabric softener for the clothes when you're doing your washing. So yeah. What did you get, Mr. Outlaw?
Bleach.
Yeah.
One bleach.
Yeah.
And a gallon of all-purpose cleaner.
So how much was a gallon of all-purpose cleaner?
All-purpose cleaning.
How much was it?
1 gallon.
How much did it cost?
All of this cost $700. No, $620.
Outlaw had to quickly run back in the shop again. What did you forget?
You know, some little piece of saltfish. If you get in there, well, again, we get a little shampoo for wash the sun here and all them something. And you know the thing go.
So a little piece of saltfish, people. And how much was all this now?
That's $200 and something.
Not for everything.
For everything. Everything we buy comes to $1,900 and.
Okay, so this.
Yeah, nearly 2,000.
Yeah, the saltfish. So the 8,000 that we said, just add another 2 onto that, so 10,000. I want this, the cheese, the cheddar cheese. That's like about $500 and something dollars.
Yeah.
$5.95. The saltfish you said was $200 and something dollars, yeah?
Yeah, and the spray, and the extra spray, maybe $400 and something.
You know, people in Jamaica love these things, ramen noodles. I can't stand them myself. Like, I've never liked these kind of noodles, and I don't like. You know, guys in England, they have the pot noodles. I can't stand them, and I don't like these, but they like them out here. So the ramen noodles, got 3 of those, and a tin of butter bean, because Mr. Outlaw's gonna make saltfish and butter bean today. And what else again? What else is in the bag? And just some little spray, you know, and some little washing powder. Yeah. So guys, total spend was $10,000. Correction, $10,000, not 8. But I will put the conversion up for you guys. We are heading back home now. So Yeah. So guys, yep, that's our lockdown preparation day. So yeah, you see what we've bought, what we're gonna be having for the next couple of days. Yeah, another lockdown, but yeah, at least we're prepared and we've got everything we need and we are back home. So guys, hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Thanks for watching. Please watch the ads. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Mr. Sirman, what do you say?
Manners and prayers.
That we say.
Give thanks to life. Every man need a wife.
Anything else?
That's
We've got to lock it off?
that's what's up. That's what's up.
Can I lock it off now?
That's what's up.
Can I lock it off now?
There you go.
Alright, people, I'm gonna lock it off.
That's what's up.
Later.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.